Right, in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect two DJI Mic Mini microphones to your GoPro. So let's say you want to shoot with two microphones and you already know that connecting via Bluetooth will only allow you to use one microphone. Then here's what you need to do. Now, you do need the full version of the DJI Mic Mini 2 with a receiver, and also you need a media mode for this. Now, a media mode is very affordable. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick one up. Now, a media mode basically allows you to connect a plethora of third-party devices to your GoPro. So the first thing you want to do is put the media mode on your GoPro. I've already done a full video on this. And with the media mode attached, the next thing you want to do is grab the DJI Mic Mini 2 receiver. Now, first of all, make sure they're both connected to the microphone. Okay, so you just put this in pairing mode and then put both microphones in pairing mode at the same time, and they're going to connect to the receiver. You should see a steady light, two steady lights on the receiver and a steady light on either microphone, on each of them, steady green light. So now the next thing is to set up your receiver onto your microphone. Now you can see the media mode comes with a horseshoe, and this receiver comes with this clip that you can just unclip like this and then slide it into the horseshoe, and it can just sit there properly, just like that. Okay, now once it sits there, you can go to the packaging of your DJI Mic Mini 2 and grab that 3.5mm headphone jack and connect one end to this port on the receiver and the other one in the media mode, which connects to your GoPro. So we'll just plug it like that in there. And once you do that, now you can switch on the GoPro. Let's go ahead and switch it on. And as you can see, we have this indicator here that there's a third-party microphone connected or an external microphone. Okay, and that's these microphones. And as you can see, both of them are connected. And that's basically how you connect. Now, the beauty of doing this is you can actually enable noise cancelling on these microphones to record with noise cancelled audio directly into your GoPro. Okay, so that is basically how to connect two microphones from the DJI Mic Mini 2 to your GoPro. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.